Hello everyone, I'm Vikramaditya and welcome to JH SOFTECH. In this session, we're going to discuss about the SAP S4 HANA sales and distribution interview question and answers for the latest interviews that we are conducting right now. So what is SAP sales and distribution? SAP SD is a core module within SAP ERP that manages all aspects of sales process from order creation to delivery and billing. It stores and manages customer and product related data to manage ordering, shipping, billing, and invoicing. What are the major components of SAP S4 HANA sales and distribution module? So the key components include sales order management, pricing, availability check, credit management, shipping, billing, and sales information systems. These are all related to the sales process in an organization. What are the main functions of SAP SD? The key functions include managing customer data, handling sales orders, pricing, availability checks, creating deliverables, and managing shipments and generating the invoices. After the invoice generation, the collection of the payment is being taken care by the finance department. How does SAP S4 HANA SD integrate with the other modules? So SAP S4 HANA sales and distribution integrates with material management for material availability, FI for billing and accounting, production planning for availability checks, and warehouse management for the delivery processing. Explain the sales document types in SAP SD. Common sales document types include quotations, sales orders, delivery schedules, and contracts. What is the difference between schedule line category and item category? Item category controls the overall behavior of a sales document item, while schedule line category defines the deliverables, delivery schedule, availability check, and movement types. How does SAP SD integrate with other modules like MM, FICO, and PP? SAP SD integrates with material management for material availability and pricing, with FICO for financial accounting of sales transactions, and with PP for production orders related to sales. What is the significance of condition technique in pricing? The condition technique allows SAP to determine prices, taxes, discounts, and surcharges based on condition records using access sequences and condition tables. Explain the credit management process in SD. The credit management invokes checking a customer's credit limit during sales order, creation, or delivery. If the credit limit is exceeded, the order is blocked until approved. What are the incompletion logs in SAP SD? The incompletion logs identify missing mandatory data in sales documents. The system can block further processing until all required fields are completed. How is output determination handled in SD? Output determination defines how documents like invoices or orders confirmations are sent to customers. It uses condition techniques based on output system, output type, medium, timing, and partner functions. What is the role of copy control in SAP SD? Copy control allows data to be copied from one document to another, such as from a quotation to a sales order, using routines to control field population and behavior. How is ATP, the available to promise, check performed in SD? ATP check determines if requested quantities can be confirmed based on current and planned stock. It considers stock, planned receipts, and delivery schedules. What is the difference between billing types F2 and F8? F2 is a standard billing type for regular invoices based on deliveries, while F8 is a pro forma invoice, the pro forma invoice, typically used for exports, and doesn't impact the accounting. Now, what is the process of creating a sales order in the SAP SD? The process involves entering customer data, selecting products, specifying quantities and prices, checking availability, and saving the order. How is pricing determined in SAP SD? Pricing is determined through condition records, which define pricing conditions like discounts, surcharges, and taxes based on various factors like customer, material, and quantity. What is the role of the availability check in SAP SD? The availability check verifies if there is a sufficient materials in the stock to fulfill the sales order. How does SAP SD handle returns? Returns are handled through a process of creating a return order, which can be used to request a return of goods or a credit memo for the returned items. How does SAP SD support tax compliance across different regions? So SAP SD provides features to manage taxes based on customer location, including tax calculation and reporting. What is the role of a copy control in SAP SD? Copy control ensures that the data is transferred correctly from one sales document to another, such as when creating a sales order based on a quotation. What are the benefits of using SAP S/4HANA SD? SAP S/4HANA SD offers real-time data processing, improved performance, and enhanced analytics capabilities. How does SAP S/4HANA SD support consignment stock? The SAP S/4HANA SD provides tools for managing consignment stock, including real-time visibility into stock levels and automation of the consignment process. How does the migration cockpit help in migrating SD data to S/4HANA? The migration cockpit simplifies data migration tasks, including migrating SD data from previous systems. Explain the concept of pricing procedure in SAP SD. A pricing procedure is a framework that determines how prices are calculated in a sales document, including discounts, surcharges, and taxes. What are the differences between partial and full deliveries in SAP SD? Partial deliveries involve shipping a portion of the ordered quantity, while full deliveries involve shipping the entire quantity. How does SAP SD handle intercompany sales? The intercompany sales involves transaction between different companies within the same enterprise and require specific configurations to ensure accurate accounting. What are the differences between basic and advanced ATP? The availability to promise checks. So the advanced availability to promise check offers more sophisticated and realistic availability checks, considering factors like lead times and capacity planning. How does SAP SD support cross-selling and upselling? SAP SD can be configured to suggest related products or higher value products to customers during the sales order process. Thank you all for watching this video, and we'll come back with a new video with more such question answers. And if you are looking out for the SAP any trainings, then I would request you to please contact us at the in the description. You can comment us, or you can contact us on our mobile number, or ping us in the email. Thank you all. And if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to our channel. Share this information with your friends. It might help someone. And also do not forget to like it. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.